So now it's time for a quiz to see if you understand what a computer program is. So which of the following are computer programs? Check all that apply. A web browser like Firefox or Chrome or Internet Explorer. The Python interpreter. The Maps app on your phone. The Python code that we will write in this class, and you will start writing Python code very soon. And the last choice, a slice of a pizza. Check all of the ones that are computer programs. See you in the next lecture with the solution of this quiz.